You're new to real estate investing and you're going to want to set yourself up for success. So here is the ultimate advice for new real estate investors. Drew Allum here, and in my years of helping people buy and sell real estate, as well as purchasing property for myself here in the city of Calgary, certain things have come up that you absolutely need to know to set yourself up for success on your real estate investing journey. The first thing you're going to want to remember is that the money is in the buy. Make sure when you purchase a property that you know your numbers. If you have the opportunity to get it at a bit of a discount, or you understand what you can actually earn on the property after you've purchased it, if it's going to be a buy and hold, then your numbers will tell you if it's something that you should be pursuing. Keep it at the top of your head, whether it's the start of your investment journey, you're an intermediate investor, or definitely as a seasoned one. Remember that the money is in the buy. Second thing you're going to need to remember is to know your market. That could be on a macro level all the way down to a micro level. What am I talking about? If I'm talking about from a micro perspective, know a neighborhood that you're thinking of investing in, understand the differences that can happen within a few kilometers or on certain sides of the street even. What types of properties are in more demand? If you're looking to actually hold something that's going to rent, what rents for more? What can you do on your properties to actually get them to value more? You have to dig in and understand exactly what's going to be happening within your market on a micro level. If you're looking at it at a macro level, try to figure out as much as you can with regards to the city that you're in. If there's expansions that are happening, if there are pockets that are going to be emerging, if you're listening to economists who are going to tell you certain trends that are going to be happening with regards to the economy, are we seeing things with regards to interest rates? I know that's a lot that can potentially be coming in, but that's why this becomes one of those things that you can never stop learning. The important thing is to keep it in mind that you're always going to know how to know your market. The third thing you need to do is understand your finances, and that's regardless of if you're looking to flip properties, hold properties long term. Money is going to be required in some way, shape, or form with regards to any real estate purchase. So if you're going to buy and hold, down payments are going to be involved. Mortgages are going to be involved. Monthly payments are going to be involved. Taxes, utilities, insurance. Understand those finances. If you're going to be dealing with flips, you're going to be looking at renovation money. Potentially partner cash or hard money is another term you're probably going to hear, or possibly mortgage money as well. Costs upon sale. What is it going to cost in fees for your agents, lawyers, fees upon fees? And again, depending on where you are too, other provinces may even have transfer taxes with regards to land. We don't have those in Alberta as I'm recording this, which is good. But yes, understand your finances. Need to know that to keep yourself sane when it comes to real estate investing. The fourth thing to remember on your real estate investment journey is to keep getting yourself educated. Good on you for checking out a video like this. Make sure you subscribe for more. There's gonna be a ton more here on YouTube, on this channel and others. Books, of course, blogs. Make sure you go to seminars, meetups with regards to real estate, and even mentorship. Depending on how serious you're gonna take this, you can never stop learning. Things are going to be very, very different with regards to provinces, countries, and cities. So understand exactly what the laws are, what you can do, and what you can't do with regards to real estate. Get yourself educated. And the last point I'm going to tell you today is to always plan for a rainy day. When it comes to real estate investing, Murphy's Law tends to apply quite a few times. If something can go wrong, it just might. So it's better that you budget for it and prepare for it than it actually come up and just surprise you. You're dealing in hundreds of thousands of dollars many times when we're making real estate purchases and investments. So you don't want that to be the nail biter, especially if you've got partners, or it is that you're using your own hard-earned money to actually make your real estate investment. So if you've got a budget, try to have a bit of a slush fund to go over that, and make sure you have more than one exit strategy. So if you're thinking of fixing and flipping, and let's say the market turns, or you over budgeted, or something terrible unfortunately happens that you didn't plan for, have a situation where you know that you can still maintain this property and it doesn't ruin you financially. So there you go. Make sure you keep those things in mind. Ultimate advice for you if you're starting out in your real estate investing journey. There is so much of an upside to it, but there is risk involved. Thanks so much for checking out the video. My name is Drew. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll catch you in the next video.